guys, welcome to Maths Made Simple with Ms Gamu. In today's video, we're gonna focus on averages. So averages, the four main concepts or the four main pillars of averages is mean, median, mode, and range. So we're gonna look at the definition and we're gonna deal with some examples of how to work these out. These are very simple, you just have to know certain rules, okay? So the first thing is our mean. Our mean is actually almost the other name is called average. So the mean is the average. All right. So let's jump into it. So we're given this data set where we're given 5, 6, 7, 4, 6, and 8. So if you get a question which says calculate the mean, so the mean is the average. What does it mean? The first step always when you deal with averages is to always put the data set in order from smallest to biggest. So here we see that our smallest is 4, then 5, then 6, then 6, then 7, and then 8. All right. So now when you calculate your mean, you're trying to find out the total. What is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8? All right. So if we check 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. All right. So our total there is 36. Then you divide by how many data sets there are or how many things in the data set. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 36 over 6, which is a cool 6. So our mean is 6. I'm just gonna write it here. So our mean is 6. All right, cool. So now we move on. What is the median? All right. So the median is the middle number. It's actually in the name. Median means the middle number. All right. So the median, how you do it? You put them in order again. So just something for you to remember. P-I-O. Put in order. P-I-O. Put in order. So you put it in order. You put the data set in order. So that is our 4, our 5, our 6, our 6, our 7, and our 8. All right. So once you put them in order, you now find the middle. So let's just take another color there. So this side, this side, this side, this side. So we see that we don't have a pure center. So what happens is that when you don't have a pure center, or you have a data set that is even numbers, so you always have 2 that are at the center. So in this case, the 6 and the 6 are the ones that are in the center. So what you do, you take the 6, you add it to the other 6, and you divide that total by 2. So 12 divided by 2, it is 6. So our median is 6. All right. Then we go over to the mode. Just erase all that. We go over to the mode. Mode, the way that you just remember it is the most popular. Most popular. So in this data set, what is the most popular? What is the number that appears the most? Remember, PIO, put it in order. Our data set is 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. All right. So the one which appears the most, in this case, it is 6. So our mode is 6. Remember, our median was also 6. Wow. Let's see. All right. So then we move on to our range. Our range just means that the difference between the biggest minus the smallest in the data set. So in this case, the biggest is 8 minus the smallest in the data set, which is 4, there, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So our range is 4. Okay, so just as a small recap, mean is the average. So you take all the things in the data set, put it in order, add it together, Find the total, divide by how many are in the data set, and you find your mean. The median, you put it in order and check what is the middle number. If it's an odd number, it's easy to see what is in the middle. But if it's an even number, you take the 2 in the middle, you add them, and you divide them by 2. Then the mode is the most popular, what appears the most, all right? So in this case, 4 only appears once, 5 once, 7 once, 8 once, but 6 appears twice. So that's the most popular, so that is the mode. Then when you deal with your range, range is always the biggest minus the smallest. Hope you understand, and see you in the next one.